A new study found that fewer fully vaccinated hospital patients died during the Omicron wave compared to the Delta surge. The CDC announced that it will continue to endorse Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine for adults and that U.S. regulators have given the shot their full approval. ABC's Christine Sloan has the latest, and it's our top story at 6.
Though the current Omicron variant wave appears to be loosening its grip on the nation, with new cases decreasing, the country's death toll continues to grow, with more than 2,000 deaths recorded per day, today reaching 900,000 lives lost since the start of the pandemic. In Oklahoma, only 9% of ICU beds are available statewide. At Mercy Hospital in Oklahoma City, doctors feeling frustrated.
I just pray I don't have to zip up another body bag. I don't have to call someone and let them know that their loved one's not coming home. Every day is just filled with nonstop suffering. We feel like failures.
And in Madera, California, Brittany Romana now needs a life-saving lung transplant more than a month after her COVID infection.
Even though she's very ill, she's terminal right now. It's still going to take some time.
Despite the warning from top health officials that it's still too early to roll back COVID safety measures, many pandemic-weary Americans are demanding an end to mask wearing and sharing their frustrations. From New York to Virginia and California, maskless students protesting the mandates. New data out by the CDC revealing that vaccines are still a strong form of protection, dramatically reducing the risk of requiring hospitalization or dying from COVID-19. Further findings show that unvaccinated adults faced a 3-time greater risk of testing positive for the virus compared to those vaccinated. Also, a new study found that fewer fully vaccinated patients died during the Omicron wave while hospitalized compared to those during the Delta surge. Christine Sloan, ABC News, New York.
Medicare will cover 8 free COVID at-home tests per month starting this spring. This is the first time Medicare will cover free over-the-counter kits. The exams will be available for delivery throughout a government website, which allows you to start by ordering 4 tests per address delivered by the Postal Service. People can also pick them up in person by going to free testing sites and pharmacies. And those COVID-19 test kits are what health experts say is critical to fight the eventually end the pandemic. But outside of the boxes, there are temperature guidelines that could be a barrier to that goal. Some health officials aren't able to say for certain how the winter temperatures could impact the tests.
What that means is that the tests may or may not perform exactly the way that the manufacturer designed them to perform. Now, it doesn't mean that the test won't work, that it'll always give a positive, it'll always give a negative, but it just means we don't know.
The FDA says bringing a test inside your home to warm up to room temperature for at least 2 hours should be appropriate conditions to perform an accurate reading as possible.